What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out a new foundation, and I'm also going to be performing a wear test with this foundation. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. So since my sunscreen is already on, I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta She's Juicy Lip Mask. And I'm going to be using this because my lips are super duper dry. Y'all, I'm so sad. Okay. So I ordered this from e.l.f. because, I don't know, it looked like it was going to be cool. But I'm really scared. So I bought 2 of their Camo CC Creams. Can y'all see what I'm scared about? So I got the shades Deep 540N and Deep 500W. I don't know. Okay, so they have this tool on their website to where you can look up your foundation shade through the website Foundation. But I usually use foundation like to figure out my shades in other foundations, and it usually works pretty well. But I was scared about this because when I first did it, it was like, we can't find your foundation shades. I usually do like one foundation shade that works with me, and that's how I find my foundations. So when I did it with my one foundation, which was the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Deep Bronze, I think the number is 375. Is it 375? Or is it 370? I think it's 370. And that's like my perfect foundation shade. It said they could not find a match, so I had to go back and add another foundation that was like a perfect match, which is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation, and I'm in the shade Deep Amber. I think it's 530. So I put both of them together, and then it found my foundation shade in the e.l.f. foundation. So, but when I went to the site, it was like on the tan side. Like it wasn't even on the deep section. I was like, no, I'm not tan. I'm not tan, y'all. So then I went back and I did the foundation thing again, but I used one of e.l.f.'s previous foundations, and it gave me my shade, and I could read which shade they considered me as, which I probably shouldn't have done because it was an older foundation, what shade it considered me as, and then the undertones. So that's how I ended up with these. And I'm scared. 540 looks super duper light. And this shade, I'm not even going to try. This is like my sister's complexion. This CC cream is saying that it's color correcting, full coverage with a natural finish, but it also includes collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, which is super cool. But I'm also super scared because it has this SPF of 30. You can wear SPF, right? But SPF in your makeup is not good because that's like kind of what causes flashback or make you look kind of gray. So I try to stray away from SPF in my foundation. So I'm scared, but I'm really scared about this because it's already light. The SPF might make it lighter. So also with my order, since I think they're having a sale, like if you spend over a certain amount, you get 2 free brushes. So I chose these brushes. I got the powder blurring brush, and then I also got their crease brush, but they're pink. I think I already have these brushes, honestly. So I'm going to be doing a test on this. So to prime my skin, I'm going to be using my Poreless Putty Primer. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. But we gonna make it work, okay? It looks like it's not too off, but it's still too light for my complexion. It might oxidize, I'm not sure, but ooh. So I am going in with their Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to be using the one that's more orange, and that's the shade Deep Chestnut. So while that's sitting, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty powder since it was a little too red. I think this is going to bring some of that color back into my face. And this is in the shade 460. So now I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. And now I'm just going to set that with my Crayon case Chalkdust, and this is in the shade S. So for my brows, I'm using their Lock On Liner, and this is in the shade Expresso. And to prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using their regular 16-hour Camo Concealer. And this one is in the shade Fair Rose. I'm going to go do the rest of my eyeshadow, and I'll be right back at the end. Okay, so I am going to add some of their lip plumping gloss. Ooh, and the color faded off. I will go and find it for you all and put it in the description box. So this is the completed look. The time is now 4:27. So I'll be back later on tonight, as late as I could try, to check in with y'all to see how this foundation holds up. And yeah. So this is the finished look. When I did my makeup, it was like 4:30. So the time is now 3:11 in the morning, and we of course are toasted. So don't judge. I feel like this foundation did hold up really well. I just feel like I wish I could have gotten it in my shade. It would have been 10 times better versus having to like color correct and fix all the, you know what I'm saying? I think the foundation retailed for like $14. If it was my foundation shade, it would be totally worth it, because look, I have not even touched up. I haven't done anything today, literally, which I think is popping. But I do need to do a flash test because this foundation does has SPF 30 in it. So I'm going to do that and insert the picture somewhere here. So I'm going to take a flash test with the back of my camera to see what it looks like and let you guys know. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave me a like. Make sure you guys subscribe, because that really supports my channel and I really would appreciate that. And until next time, baddies.